Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Dazzling Pooh and I'm Poonam. So in today's video I'm going to tell you everything about skin preparation before achieving a flawless makeup look. Many girls have problems with their makeup. After putting their makeup they feel it so dry and patchy and sometimes also cakey. So I'm come up with a solution. And I will tell you how should you do your skin preparation, or I should say skincare preparation before putting some makeup. So I will tell you step by step everything. So for that, stay connected with me till the end of this video. So without now further any delay, I will directly take you to my video. So we will now fly to the video. Ta-da!
सबको मैं आज दिल भर छोड़ के आई, रस्मों के कसमों के सारे बंधन तोड़ के आई.
So here my face is completely clean. I have just washed my face with my face wash. So for now I'm using this Good Vibes toner, or you can use any kind of face mist, or you can use also rose water if you don't have any kind of toner. So I usually like spray type of toner. So these face mist and toner usually balance our skin's oil. So after drying it, I'm using my facial oil. It will set my makeup and my makeup will not look dry or patchy. That's why I'm using these kind of oils. And this is a facial oil from Good Vibes. I just love face oils from Good Vibes. So after this, I will use my moisturizer. This is a moisturizer from Neutrogena. This is a water-based moisturizer, so it will not be so heavy. This is not super sticky or oily. This is very gentle on my skin and it suits me perfectly. So I will apply all over my face this moisturizer so that my skin will be healthy and the makeup will not cause any bad effects on my skin. So now I will move towards my eye care. So for that I'm using this under eye cream from Mama Earth. This is very gentle and very good eye cream. If you have any kind of dark circles or you want to prevent dark circles, then you should go for this cream. This is the best. So now it's the turn of lip balm, but I have already applied it once because I just can't be with dry lips and can't live without my lip balm. And after all these steps, you need to leave your face like this for 2 to 5 minutes. And after 2 or 5 minutes, you should use any kind of sunscreen because it's summer. Whether it is summer or not, you should always apply your sunscreen. So you can use any sunscreen you have, but you should use your sunscreen. So here I am using my Lotus sunscreen. I just love this sunscreen and it suits me perfectly. So I will leave it also for 2 minutes so that my skin and this cream can also be set together. So yeah, after that I will use the primer. I will not consider it a makeup product. I will consider it as a skincare because it creates a layer between our makeup and skincare so that our makeup cannot harm our skin. It creates a layer between that, and for that reason I just love primers. And it also prevents your foundation or your makeup to turn a cakey makeup because it always solves the problem of pores, and because of the pores our makeup always looks cakey. And furthermore step, and this is the last step according to me, I use this compact under my eyes because it will help to set the under eye cream on their place, and makeup will not cause any harm to my under eyes. And furthermore, if you have any kind of dark circles, this step will help you to give a full coverage even when you use a light coverage foundation. So yeah, I'm almost done with my skin preparation before makeup. So I hope you like all of these steps which I just showed you, and you will definitely solve the problem of dryness and patchiness or cakey foundation if you will follow all of these steps before putting your makeup. So if you like all the information containing in this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel and stay connected with me for more super video, and we'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. Bye.